8 years old, Danielle April Rowe, who on June 8, 2023, was abducted from her school in Portmore, St. Catherine, and taken to Roosevelt Avenue in Kingston, where her throat was slashed. She was assisted by a passing motorist and taken to the Bustamante Children's Hospital. However, despite the best effort of the medical staff at the Children's Hospital, she succumbed to her injury on June 10, 2023. KAYODI Satchell, 30 years old, dental assistant of Padmore District, Red Hill, St. Andrew, and Twickenham Park, St. Catherine, who was taken into custody on Friday, August 11, 2023, was positively identified on an ID parade which was held today, the 25th of August 2023. The breakthrough is a reflection of the commitment, patience, and due diligence of our investigator in this matter. And I want to commend the team that actually was involved in this investigation. It is to be noted that Ms. Satchell was an intimate partner of Danielle Rowe's father. We have not yet established a clear motive, but as the investigation proceeds, we expect that the real motive will be manifested. Ms. Satchell will be interviewed and the formal charges will ultimately be laid in the coming week.